I don't think she knows how to play frisbee. Actually. She just throws it. She doesn't know if
It's definitely a learning experience. By this time next year, they'll have figured it out. Maybe volleyball, too, if we're lucky.
No, it's too much in one day.
Do you know whose phone is in the blue case?
Yeah, Amanda's.
Oh, because these kids knocked lemonade over it.
Okay. Did they give it on mine?
On the screen, but I marked it off.
Totally just got his head on it. And again.
You told me you were recording.
It's implied when someone just stands here.
It's alright. Just know you'll be tagged on YouTube later.
That'd be the only gadget we have on.
This is the most relaxed game of Ultimate Frisbee I've ever seen.
There's too much running in Ultimate Frisbee.
I like the one where you have to throw it into the chain basket. It's like Frisbee golf. Yeah. Woo! That was fun.
I prefer you stand over here and I'll throw it.
The tree's not playing this round!
You take it out, and then you grab it, take out.
You throw like a girl! Everyone needs a little motivation. Huh? You expect a bunch of little girls to be tactical with their feelings?
If this was cheering, they'd get it. Oh, man down.
Hold on.
Why don't they pick this shade to play in?
Good question.
Trees make it more fun. You gotta watch where you're running.
Go, go, go.